From time to time, a company transforms the way the market thinks about a product, the way they're perceived, bought, and used. In power steering, that company is Plews Edelmann. For over 70 years, we've been manufacturing, researching, developing, and enhancing all the products that make up a power steering system. Post-repair failures and warranties are most likely to occur when a complete power steering repair is not performed. A power steering repair is complete when it involves changing the pump, rack or gear, changing all the hoses, evaluating and changing the cooler if equipped, flushing and replacing the fluid, and adding the all-important filter to protect the repair and prevent future failures from occurring. Fixing any one of these components individually will only prolong further system failures, as damage to one is commonly indicative of damage to another. The only way to know for sure that the true failure mode has been eliminated is to perform a complete power steering repair. Plews Edelmann offers everything needed to complete the repair and so provide the total solution in power steering. Our hard parts are newly manufactured, 100% tested to ensure appropriate performance after installation. We provide more hose coverage and performance than anyone else, nearly guaranteeing the hoses necessary are available no matter the application. We manufacture OE quality coolers that perform and install to the exact standards of the vehicle manufacturer. We provide a universal synthetic fluid compatible with nearly all makes and models. And we have the industry-leading power steering filter to prevent failures from developing. Moreover, we offer Edelmann Analytics that provides the data and capabilities far exceeding our competitors to make sure the right product is available when it is needed, anywhere in the country and on time from our North American-based supply chain. And finally, we back the repair with the most progressive warranty available anywhere in the aftermarket. For the next 100 years, 1 million miles, we will be there to make sure your power steering is functioning as expected. Plews Edelmann has what no one in the aftermarket can offer. That's why we're the total solution in power steering.